Hi guys, quick discussion lang tayo dito sa price action nitong si BTC. Ano nga ba nangyari today? And as we can see, meron tayo ditong profits kahit papano na 23,257. No? So, nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo today pero we get some profits. Maybe we'll discuss that kung paano nangyari yon. Pero for now guys, ano nga ba yung reason kung bakit itong si BTC ay nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo? Sisilipin natin yan dito sa video natin today guys, no? Yung PNL natin, papakita din natin today, yung mga close positions. And bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So for now nga guys, ay nakita natin yung pagbagsak ng crypto market, no? We can see some decline of like negative 30%, negative 20%. So for example, this one, meron tayong mga na-close, no? Meron din tayong mga negative. Ayan, makikita natin. Ito, close position. This is short play. Ayan. Hindi na natin masyadong nakita yung isa, pero ito guys, no, I have these setups ng short selling. If ever na bumagsak yung presyo, magkaka-profits ako dito. So, ano nga ba yung mga reason dito guys? Isa sa mga tinitingnan ko dito is that yung pag-shake out ng mga holders guys, no, for the price action itong si BTC. We observe as well after hitting 104,000 in USDT na presyo nitong si BTC, we can see some weakness ng buyers guys, no. So more of like selling pressure na yung isa sa mga nakita natin, and we anticipate a potential retracement or pagbagsak ng presyo, and it was happened today. So December 10, and silipin natin dito guys, no, yung price action nitong si BTC. Let's go here, search natin dito BTC, and BTC USDT tayo. So this is on the 15 minutes time frame. We can see some decline from here going here, negative 9% guys, no, ito. So dito we can see a retracement na before this one. Tinitingnan ko dito guys yung potential na another retest doon sa support zone. We can see some support zone around 91 territory, itong area na ito. So if ever na balikan niya yan, so that's a potential triple bottom guys, no. Ito, if ever na balikan niya yung 92, 90k territory. So isa sa mga tinitingnan natin yan for a potential retracement. We can also add RSI dito. Ayan. So dito guys, if we observe sa daily, punta tayo sa daily, we can see some divergence dito ng bearish guys, no. Price action going up, pero there's no enough volume, as well as RSI going down now. And this one going down. Pero this price could potentially push pa sa upside. If ever siguro na magkaroon siya ng retracement pa ng medyo malalim, kasi this price is like purely impulse guys, no, on the daily time frame. There's no massive corrective yet na nangyari, pero isa sa mga tinitingnan ko if ever na magkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo ito is that hopefully ma-hold nyo yung 90k territory, 92k territory. But we'll see. Anything can happen guys. Now again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito, updates, and kung meron kayo mga questions, feel free to ask lang dito sa ating comment section dito sa ating video today guys, no? So isa sa mga tinitingnan ko dito guys, kaya din ito nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo, is yung divergence nga na ito guys, no? So the price action is going up, but the oscillators, the volume as well is declining guys, no? So we'll see in the next coming days dito. Yun, I decided to do these short positions, especially sa meme coin, kasi magalaw talaga yan, pero sobrang risky yan guys, no. Sa trading, kailangan ng experience, napaka-importante. Psychology as well, how you react sa market, yung emotion mo. And for me, siguro pangatlo na lang yung pagiging magaling mo sa technical analysis guys, no? So yun, risk management as well, that's very important. Meron din akong ginawang video dito guys, gamit yung cellphone for ideas lang. Lalay ko na lang siguro dito sa screen. And that's it for today guys. Maraming salamat din sa panonood. Hope this video helps. Peace out. Bye for now.